Come in. Come in, please.
Justine, dear. Hello, dear. How are you today? Are you feeling well?
No, I'm terribly sick. I've been up all night crying. 2 nights, in fact. One moment, please. I apologize. I apologize.
No need to apologize.
You read my letter. That's why you were here.
I didn't know it was this bad.
Any day now they're gonna fire me. Colonel Stevenson, his mother died 2 days ago. She doesn't even live around here, but she was on her way to see us. And her heart failed her. Her body is sitting in the parlor as we speak. She was the only one that was giving any money to the family after Stevenson's bank failed. We've already been living like peasants for the last month. Now there's absolutely nothing. And Lucy's been saying that I will have to go back to the convent.
You won't have to go back. I know we said we'd wait 2 years and get everything and ready, but the contracts for my service are in motion now, and I can get an advancement, I believe. And we can go ahead and start looking for a place if we need to.
I love you.
I have a little bit saved up as well.
I love
Everything
you so
will be
much.
fine. I can't speak for them, but for you, everything will be fine.
I've been up 2 days. I haven't slept in 2 days. I've been crying. I don't even have any tears left. And I'm terribly sick. Stress makes me ill. Soon they're gonna have to put me in that coffin in the parlor.
Don't say that.
I think my days on this earth are numbered.
They're not.
And on top of it, they still want me to cook supper for them. I've been making funeral cookies all day for all the visiting family.
There's a cabin I heard for rent, not too far from here, between here and St. Genevieve. I can check that out this afternoon.
How much?
Oh, I heard it's about $6
A month?
a month.
Oh, I'll have to start selling candles full time.
$6 isn't too much. If it was over 10, that'd be a little bit pricey, but I think we can handle $6.
Maybe we can negotiate it down to 5 and 50.
Yeah. I'll talk to Mr. Adams and see what he says.
Let's have a look at it.
You want to go with me this afternoon? Would you like to do that? Get out and get some fresh air outside of this hot
Yes, please.
kitchen?
Yes. I'm terribly weak, but I can't live like this.
You don't have to anymore.
I love you.
I love you too, dear.
I would kiss you, but I'm ill. I can't kiss you.
May you permit me to kiss you on the cheek at least?
I love you.
I love you too.
It sounds insane, but the mother is in the parlor right now. I'll show you. She's in there. She was 87.
Never met her. Was she nice?
Yes, she was very nice.
That's good. May she rest in peace.
I only have 2 hours to finish this before supper.
Alright.
I'm so weak. Pumpkin pie, steak with turnips and potatoes.
We can do it. Where is the knife so I can cut this?
I will get that for you at once.
Thank you. And a bucket. I'm gonna find a bucket.
We're using molasses instead of sugar because we can no longer afford white sugar. It's been like that for the last month. I've only tried this pie with molasses once. You definitely do notice a difference in flavor.
I do love pumpkin pie.
As do I. This is my favorite time of the year. I know it's yours. All summer long you were saying, I can't wait until it's autumn.
Autumn is my favorite season. Big guy like me, I don't get along with summer very well. The heat.
No. I've known you long enough to realize this.
I sweat like a hog.
Thank you so much for helping me.
Oh, you're welcome, hon. I love you.
I love you too.
These are going in your beehive oven, correct?
Yes, please. They need to bake until they're soft. This recipe also calls for a pint of milk if you're going to be cheap, but we do have cream, so I can at least afford cream.
I'll check the pumpkins.
Be careful, it'll be terribly hot. Don't grab that with your bare hands.
It's hot. It's soft too. That's what I was checking, but I need a pot holder or a rag. Ooh, that heat. Can only keep my hand in there for a few moments.
I don't wish for you to turn into bacon. That looks perfect.
If that's what perfect's supposed to look like, then they're perfect.
You are what perfect looks like.
Yeah, they're plenty soft. This should do. Does this look okay?
Oh, that looks perfect. It is supposed to be like applesauce, and that's exactly what it looks like. Into this, I will place the pumpkin and a bit of allspice and ground dried ginger. Thank you. This is perfect. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, dear. Is there anything I can to help you?
Surprisingly, no nutmeg.
I love nutmeg.
I apologize, the receipt does not call for nutmeg. It has allspice though. Some people call it Jamaican spice.
Jamaican spice. That's really far away.
While I stir this, could you please divide the turnips and the potatoes into cubes?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
That's big enough, hon?
That's perfect.
Could be a blessing in disguise, you know it?
How so?
We ended up sooner than what we thought we would.
It's what I wanted. Being honest with you, it's what I wanted.
Me too. mostly women's work, but I love cooking. And you know I love to eat. Right?
I'm glad you do.
Alright, hun, I need a pan.
We'll use this one. Fry it in butter.
Okay.
Could you cut about 1/3 of that? Thank you.
Can I put them in now?
Yes, let's do it. That should be fine. Thank you.
I got it, hun.
Thank you. Looks like a heart. That was not intentional. This is a quantity enough to make at least 2 pies, possibly 3. It will rise slightly because of the eggs. Oh, that smells good.
It does. We got that done very
We
quick.
did. I wish that we could have food like this.
We will when we're on our own. I promise you that.
I love you.
I would too. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Are we done here? Can we go look at that cabin?
Now that this is settled, let's head off. I need a break.
Alright.
And I need fresh air. It's very hot in here. Let me fetch some water and we'll go. Thank you again.
You're very welcome, dear. I love you.
Sick or not, we
I'm not
can't.
scared.
We can't resist.
I live in the backwoods. You think I'm scared of the cold? Let's go. Alright, so over yonder, I didn't tell you earlier, Mr. Edwards, he told me he has a cabin on the far side of his farm for $2. He's not sure if it has a chimney anymore, but if it's decent, we can add a chimney.
You told me you like eating. How can we live without a chimney?
Well, we'll have to build one.
We'll take a look.
And then we'll go on to the one that Mr. Adams has on his property for $6. It does have a chimney.
$2 a month? I could afford that.
You know, for morning clothes, you really look really beautiful, dear.
Thank you.
Shall we carry on?
Yes.
Let's go.
You can't live here.
It's horrible.
We're just ready to keep pigs. There's no lock on it.
Mr. Edwards told me they want $2 for this one. But you couldn't pay me $2 to stay here. There's no chimney.
Let's look inside.
Will it open? This can't be good. Hey, they got a wheelbarrow. Now we're talking.
No, we're not.
A wheelbarrow, huh?
I wouldn't even pay $1 a month to live in here. I don't have the highest standards, but I'm not livestock. It's awfully small.
Roof has seen better days.
Does it even have a window? Maybe the other side.
Maybe.
Looks like the door's open. Take a look in there.
Take a look.
The step's broken.
Yeah.
This
Careful.
one looks better.
Be careful. Oh, hon, look at this.
What was that? $6 a month?
Yeah. $6. Low ceiling.
There is a loft.
Yeah.
It appears that whoever lived here before abandoned half of their things.
What's that way?
Why they left, I'm not sure. There is a window.
I've heard of a lot of Indian raids around here, though.
Oh,
There's some holes in the roof. I see light.
that may be why they abandoned it. They may no longer be on this side of the dirt.
Maybe.
Glass window.
Glass window, that's nice. The hearth is surprisingly a nice size for a small cabin like this. So I do like the hearth, but some of these other things I'm not liking so much. Not for $6 a month.
No, this is more of a $4 a month sort of arrangement. It's also completely infested with bugs.
Yeah, I see that.
There's nests all over.
There's a few light holes coming through the chinking in the corners. This is gonna take a lot of work, especially that roof. I mean, there's 20 holes of light you can see up here. Whoa, yeah, back here there's a major hole. Come over here, huge hole. That's probably where all the squirrels are coming from, because
Oh.
I'm seeing squirrel droppings
You
everywhere.
can practically see the sun through that.
Yes.
Imagine when it rains, or when it snows a lot around here.
There's another one a bit farther south in St. Genevieve, and I've been wanting to go to St. Gen, you know that. Maybe we should check that out.
What's the price of that one?
$8. But if we can talk them down to $7, $1 more than what they're asking for this, and this is terrible, so if that one is nice, we can afford $7.
Let's go. If I can't do it today, St. Genevieve is a boat ride
no.
away.
Maybe in a couple weeks.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's fair.
Alright. I love you.
I love you too.
You seem to be doing a little bit better now that we're had some breath.
Got some fresh air. I don't know if I can wait a few weeks though. I think I'm going to get evicted
Well,
within a few days.
as soon as we can, or you can, you let me know.
Yes.